What's up, guys? Sorry, I had my phone charger, but my phone was unplugged, so not super effective. I lost my live, but we're back. We're back. We got my phone plugged in. Just waiting for Lisa and John to hop in here. I see you, Lisa. See if we can get John back in here. You got Steve. All right. Yep. My phone died. I'm sorry. I'm embarrassed. We got it plugged in. We're going to keep going here in just a second. We're making this silver quarter into a ring for Lisa. And I'm just going to give this just a second to kind of populate around TikTok, and then we'll keep cranking on. There we go. It looks like John's in. All right. So we got the whole gang back in here. Good deal. Good deal. Oh, we're going to move on to our second fold. Yeah, phone batteries are the bane of my existence. I wish there was a phone battery that lasted like 3 days. TikTok Live is pretty harsh on your phone battery. There we go. No worries. We'll see you later, Steve. I'm going to go ahead and sand this cut edge, and then we'll stretch this out and give it a nice ring shape. You got it nice and smooth and shiny now. Yeah, I try to do it off camera because the sound is rough. It sounds like I didn't get far enough away. This part is always tricky. The camera gets jealous of my ring stretcher.